Hi friends, today we are taking a look at a real low budget sedan, a diesel sedan. It's a 1.4 TDCI Ford Fiesta, and this is a 2008 make, 3 owners. Basically the first and second owner were the same, and the third owner was a third party who actually purchased the car. So ideally driven in two hands, and the insurance of the car is expired. The tires of the car are decent enough, they're above 50%, I would say. The body line of the car is really good, no accidental damage, and no such rusting issues with the car. The paint is quite decent, no major scratches or dents on the vehicle. The headlamps are decent. There is a bit of dust accumulation that I can see in the headlamps, which can be cleaned, so that is not a big issue. The color of the car is really nice, and the black alloy wheels with it really complement well to the car. Now, there's a black top as well, which has been done on the vehicle, which is a veneer again. So that's a vinyl pasting on the top. You can remove it and it can be seen in the original color. The tail lamps are also decent enough, and all electricals of the vehicle are working. This is currently the exterior walk around of the vehicle, so you can see how the car looks from outside. And to be honest, the price of the vehicle is 1,38,000. So at a price of a bike, if you're getting a diesel sedan like this, I would call it a beautiful vehicle. The power steering is there. There's 4 power windows. There's air conditioning, which is working absolutely fine. There are leather seats which are new, so the seat covers are new, and there are fog lamps to the vehicle, which are there. The music system, however, has been retained by the previous owner because it was an expensive one. It was a high-end music system by Blopunk. So that has been retained by the owner because the car was going for such a cheap rate. So he did not want to give the music system because he spent about 45,000 rupees on it. Now, this is how the car looks from exteriors. Quite sporty and aggressive with a black grille and black alloy wheels and black top. Now, I would take you closer to the vehicle and we will see how the car looks from inside. Okay, so this is the dashboard of a Ford Fiesta 1.4 TDCI 2008 make. Now if you see, the music system slot is empty because that has been removed. These are the headlamp switches. These are the 4 power window buttons. The door handle. There's a speaker on the front. By the way, the speakers are there in the car, so you just have to install a music system and you're good to go. You don't have to install speakers of the vehicle because the speakers are already there. We've already opened it and checked it, so you don't have to worry about it. There's keyless entry to the car. These are the seats, the leather finished seats. These are the headrest cushions that I'm now removing from here. So if you look at the seats, they are new, unused. Seat covers are new. The roof lining of the car is clean, absolutely clean, no stains, no damages. The beige and black interior of the car really looks nice and cozy. There's a plastic cover to the gear leather which is broken, so the leather cannot stick to the mid console. That's okay, that's a tiny thing, 100-200 rupees, and that can be fixed. There's a sports steering to the vehicle with grips on top. The round blowers. This is the rear door trim. It's got a leather finish door trim with black trim on the top. The central locking to the vehicle. Overall, a decent car for this budget. I mean, you usually get to buy a Alto, Santro, or probably, something like that. That is a petrol hatchback that you buy for the price. I always try getting you deals which are different from the market, so this is one more such attempt. I am presenting a Ford Fiesta diesel sedan for a price of an Alto or a Santro or maybe a 2006 Swift you can buy, or a Wagoner you can buy. So, you know, instead of that, you're getting a diesel sedan which is in good shape, good condition. The suspensions are good. There's a minor linkage noise from the front left which I have observed. Otherwise, there's no other trouble with the vehicle. The clutch is smooth. The car, however, needs one servicing. So you will have to get a car serviced, the oil changed, the transmission oil changed, the oil filters changed, air filter change is required by the car. I'm sorry. And the car drives about 16-17 kilometers in city and about 20-21 kilometers on highways in a liter of diesel. So it's quite fuel efficient and economical. The price of the car is 1,38,000. We'll consider a bit of negotiation on it, not much. The engine sound is quite decent. I mean, the same engine runs a Ford Figo, so it's as good as the Figo sound, I would say. Overall, a good experience to drive. The AC is quite decent. It's chilling. It's cold. It's good. The steering response is good. The car needs some alignment, but that's again hardly 300 rupees for alignment. So there are bits and nits which you need to do. You'll end up spending about 10,000 rupees on the vehicle, making it the way you like, or you know, someone would want. But it's a fair deal looking at the price. Now the horn is working, all 4 power windows are working, AC is working great, suspensions are good, clutch is smooth, engine is good, pickup is fine, with AC, without AC there's a good pickup, the fuel efficiency is great, you can see the speed, we're currently driving on 75, so it's quite quick and responsive engine. The car is available for inspection at Nerul, Navi Mumbai, Sector 19, plot number 37 near Gurudwara. My number is 9768001006. You can call me whenever you want to take a test drive of the vehicle. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. This video you were watching was on Convoy Cars, Navi Mumbai. Thanks for watching it. Bye-bye.